Good morning, children. Already we have in the last chapter, last day of this area of the related to the circles, last exercise only. Next question. In the given figure, AB and CD are two diameters of the circle perpendicular to each other, and OD is a diameter of the smaller circle. If OA equal to 7 centimeter, find the area of the shaded region. Right? So already it is given that OA equal to 7. That means here it is a 7 centimeter. Right? OA equal to 7 centimeter is given. Now, what is the question is asked? The shaded regions area is asked. But shaded region area means only we are having the smaller part of the circle. Smaller circle is not shaded. Other than that, everything we have to calculate. So, how we can write? See the steps now, all of you. Area of the shaded region equal to area of the bigger circle minus area of the smaller circle. Right? Area of the bigger circle means what is the radius? OA is the radius there. So it is 7 square only. Pi r square means pi into 7 square. Now the question comes, what is the area of the smaller circle? So what is the first step for that? We should find what is the radius of diameter OD is equal to 7 only. So radius we have to calculate. So that it means 7 by 2 only. Right? So area of the bigger circle minus area of the smaller circle, which is equal to pi into 7 square minus pi into 7 by 2 whole square. After the simplification, you will get 115.5 centimeter square. Symbol diagram only. Already what is the diagram is given. One part of the circle, that is the smaller part of the circle, is not shaded. We have to eliminate this area from the total area of the circle. So the bigger circle radius is 7. That 7 will be the diameter for the smaller circle, right? From there we have to find out the radius, and we have to calculate area of the shaded region equal to area of the bigger circle minus area of the smaller circle. Next question. Find the area of the shaded region in the figure where a circular arc of radius 7 centimeter has been drawn with the vertex O of an equilateral triangle OAB of the side 12 centimeter as a center. See, the whatever the given diagram is given, it's already shaded. So area of the shaded region is asked. So what we have to do means we have to find out whatever is there. So when we are seeing that circle is there, what are the shapes there? Circle is there, equilateral triangle is there, right? What are the two diagrams you can see there? One circle is there, on that is some equilateral triangle is there. Now read the question. A circular arc of radius 7 centimeters. So radius of the circle equal to 7 centimeter. Now what is the next diagram? An equilateral triangle OAB of side 12 centimeter. So here side of the triangle A equal to 12 centimeter only. Now what is the question? Area of the shaded region. Area of the shaded region means here we have written in this way, area of the circle minus area of the sector plus area of the equilateral triangle. Now listen, area of the circle means this part is also coming, right? Which is a sector there, and when you are taking the area of the equilateral triangle also, that is coming there. So two times it will come. So what we are doing means area of the circle minus area of the sector is D. That means area of the major sector also we can use. See that all of you here, area of the circle, if you are calculating the shaded portion, it is also coming in that, and area of the equilateral triangle also, if you are taking the shaded portion, is also coming. Now what is the question? So area of the circle minus area of the sector. Instead of this area of the circle minus area of the sector, you can go for which one? Area of the major sector also. Understood? Otherwise, here also whatever we are doing, that is also correct only. So area of the circle minus area of the sector plus area of the equilateral triangle OAB. So triangle OAB is asked. So this time when we are taking the triangle OAB, the sector is coming there. So from this first part, the sector part is removed. Understood? Now just as usual formula, pi r square minus theta by 360 into pi r square plus root 3 by 4 a square. Direct formula only. A 7 is the radius for the circle, 12 is the side for the triangle. Understood? So only the point you have to remember what is that when we are doing the shaded regions area, two times area of the sector will come. When we are taking the complete circle, than when you are taking the equilateral triangle. In both the case, you can see that the sector part is common. So once you have to, only one time we should add. For that, what we should do, we should subtract from the area of the circle. Instead of this part, this tick part, that is the first part, what we can do, you can calculate major sector formula, right? That major sector formula means what is that one? The 360 minus theta divided by 360 into pi r square. If you do also, you will get the same answer only. So both the way you can go for this one. What is the final answer? 190.68 centimeter square, right? Okay. Next question. In the given figure, area of an equilateral triangle ABC is 17320.5 centimeter square. With each vertex of the triangle as a center, a circle is drawn with the radius equal to half the length of the side of the triangle. Find the area of the shaded region. Pi value is given as 3.14, root 3 as given as 1.73205, right? So what is the question here? Area of the equilateral triangle ABC is 17320.5. So area of the equilateral triangle directly given. Now what is given? Three circles are there in the figure. What is the condition for this one? Circle is drawn with a radius equal to half the length of the side of the triangle. So what is the length of the side of the triangle? It's half equal to radius of the circle. Now find the area of the shaded region is asked. The smaller portion is only, you can see the center, that is only shaded part, isn't it? So that area only we have to find out. How to do? Let us see the steps now. Root 3 by 4 a square by 4 is 17320.5. From that, what we have to calculate? Side of the triangle. Simplification you can do. And this question, don't take the root 3 as 1.73 only. It is given in the question that 1.73205. So our calculation will be easy. Only the decimal variation is there with the area and the root 3 value. So substitute that value and you can solve for a. What is a value? A equal to 200. Now it is an equilateral triangle. So what is the central angle? Central angle theta equal to 60 degree only, right? So root 3 by 4 a square is given. From that we are calculating a equal to 200 centimeter. What is a? The side of the triangle. We have got that one. And central angle, because of the equilateral triangle, it is equal to 60 degree. Now what is the next part? Radius of the circle. Radius of the circle, it is given in the question that half the length of the side. So it is naturally, it is equal to 200 by 2, which is equal to 100 centimeter only. Now what is the next one? Area of the sector ADE. See the diagram. Area of the sector ADE, and next is area sector BDF. Next is CFE. All the three are sector only, and all these are the formed with the central angle theta 60 degree only, and the radius is 100 only. So by using this, you can know that all the three sectors areas are equal. Now we have calculated by which formula? Theta by 360 into pi r square. So 15700 by 3 centimeter square only. So all three sectors value we have calculated. And what is the next step? Area of the shaded region. Area of the shaded region means area of the equilateral triangle minus 3 sector. Diagram once again go through all of you. What we have asked here, area of the shaded region. Area of the shaded region means area of the triangle. Since it is a equilateral triangle, we say area of the equilateral triangle. From that, the three sectors should be subtracted. So that we have written here, area of the equilateral triangle minus area of the sector ADE plus area of the sector BDF plus area of the sector CFE. All these three, 1 2 3 our areas are same only. So 3 into 15700 by 3, we have taken that one. Just subtract from the area of the equilateral triangle. Area of the equilateral triangle directly given in the question. After the simplification, what we will get? A 1620.5 centimeter square only, right? So this is one. It is a good question only. Area of the equilateral triangle is given, and from that side is calculated. From the side we have to go for radius of the circle. After that, for getting the shaded region, we have to subtract area of the equilateral triangle minus three sectors, right? Three sectors are equal area only, so 3 into 1 area of the sector. So we have subtracted and we got the value as 1620.5 centimeters square. Okay. A round table cover has six equal designs as shown in the figure. If the radius of the cover is 28 centimeter, find the cost of making designs at the rate of 0.35. A round table cover has six equal designs. Designs is given here, that is the here that is only the designs. Now what is the radius is given, radius equal to 28 centimeter. What is the cost of making the designs at the rate of 0.35 per centimeter square only. Now the question comes that what is this design only. If you go for some center is there, means if I join like this, see, you can see that the design from here exactly, it will be equal to a segment on. Think that all of you design you are seeing, you may think that in between small small triangle is there, that unshaded part is there, that don't think it is a design only, you have to consider. So now what is the point, how to calculate the area of the design means, if you go for the diagram. See, if you go for the diagram, the design part, design where it is given, it look like a segment only after joining the radii. Clear this one? So like that, how many will get one more here we can join like that here, right? Now here, okay. Next is here. So it will be divided into six equal parts only. So now we can calculate what is the central angle for each one. So the question is given in that radius is given, then cost per centimeter square is given, but no central angle is given. So after looking the design, what we have done, we have divided into six equal parts, and the design we understood that it look like a segment only. So for the segment area we need means what we need, we need the central angle first. So what we should do, we are making that a six equal portion only. So 360 by 6, that is equal to 60 degree. This point you have to learn. Central angle is not given, we should identify the central angle first. We should calculate the central angle first. So we have calculated the central angle means, okay, we have to calculate the central angle. Hmm. Okay. What is the next point? We have to calculate the central angle. Central angle we have calculated theta equal to 60 degree only. Now what is the next step? We have to go for the area of the design. Area of the design means I already told it is a segment form only. But how many segments are there? Six segments are there. 6 into r square bracket or normal formula theta by 360 into pi minus sine theta by 2 cos theta by 2. What is theta here? 60. After substituting you will get it is sine 30 and cos 30 only here. The radius is 28. So here also 28 square is there. So next, what is the next step? We should substitute and simplify. It will be 464.8 centimeter square. Now still the question is not completed. What is the next part? Cost of making the designs. So into 0.35, because it's a centimeter square only, directly it is given. So 464.8 into 0.35, it is equal to 1626.80. Once again I'll go the question. What is the question? A round table cover has six equal designs as shown in the figure. The radius of the cover equal to 28 centimeter. Then find the cost of making the designs. When you go for the designs, you can see that the corner part, the round part, the end circumference part, you can see that some design is there, but no central angle is given. If you joined with the center, you can see that the designs are similar to which one, it is similar to segment. So for calculating the area of the segment, we need central angle. So if you go for the designs, it is divided into 1 2 3 4 5 6. Six designs, six parts are there. So the total angle is 360 degree. 360 divided by 6 equal to 60 degree. So central angle also we got. Directly in the question it is given the radius, so we can substitute radius as a 28 only. So after substituting this one, say sine 30 and the cos 30 is coming. So what is the values there? 1 by 2 and root 3 by by 2, nothing else. Everything is as usual. We are substituting and you are getting the value of 464.8 centimeter square only, right? After that, what is the next step? Cost of making the designs also we should. So which point you have to remember here means that is 60 degree, right? That central angle calculation is the new point for this type of the questions. Now I'll move to the next one. Okay. In a circular table cover of radius 32 centimeter, a design is formed leaving an equilateral triangle ABC in the middle, as shown in the figure. Find the area of the design and shaded region. Here also I'll just see that, tell you that after seeing the design, find the area of the design. Don't think that there is some gap here and all. Na? So don't think that it is required. So here some gap is there. Don't think that total we will consider this as a arc AC is the full design for us, right? Now if you again go for this, it is a design is similar to which one? Segment only. Got the point? It is also similar to segment. So how many segments are there? It is here is there and here is there and here three segments are there. So now also we don't have the central angle, but here how many parts are there? Three. Compare with the previous question also, there we have seen six parts, now here having three parts only. So 360 divided by 3, what we should do? 360 divided by 3 only. Okay, so 360 divided by 3, what is the answer we are getting? It is equal to 120. So our central angle equal to 120. Got the point? Last time we have seen that 360 by 6 only. This time we are divided by 3 only. So the central angle equal to 120. Now, what is the radius? Radius equal to 32. 32 only. So just to substitute the values, we will get the value as in terms of root and all coming. So you can keep like this also. 22528 by 7 minus 768 root 3 centimeter square. Once again, I'll explain. In a circular table cover of radius 32 centimeters. So radius is given. A design is formed leaving an equilateral triangle ABC in the middle. Find the area of the design. Shaded region is given because it is a shaded design only, it is asked, not for the triangle. So if you go for the shaded design, how many parts are there? Three parts are there. Here also radius is given, no central angle is given. So based on the three parts, 360 divided by 3, 360 divided by 3, each angle, central angle equal to 120 degree, right? So 120 degree we got, radius we got, segment formula we know, we write the formula and multiplied with the 3, substitute the values, we will get 22528 by 7 minus 768 root 3 centimeter square only. Now we can go to the next question. Okay. Calculate the area of the shaded designed region in the figure, which is common between the two quadrants of the circle of radius 8 centimeter each. Now what is the question is given? Here also area of the designed region only. Area of the designed region is asked. Now which is common between two quadrants? Two quadrants means it is a square. It is divided into diagonal is joint means you will get two quadrant only, right? Now what is the radius of the circle? It's a quadrant circle. It is equal to 8 centimeter. Quadrant word is familiar to you. Quadrant means when we studied coordinate x-axis, y-axis, graph, xy plane, you know that it is divided into quadrant. What is the central angle there we are getting there? Each angle is having 90 degree because x-axis is perpendicular to y-axis only. So quadrant means the angle equal to theta, central angle equal to theta, it is equal to 90 degree. In the diagram also you can see that one. And what is the radius? Radius equal to 8 centimeter. Now the question comes, how to find this radius? Sorry, so how to find the area of this design? So just go this diagram below I had given. I join the diagonal AC there, right? Join the diagonal AC, the black portion, that is the shaded portion, if you consider AC, arc AC, here it is, it will be look like a segment only, right? It is a segment. Similarly, this unshaded portion also segment only, for which side? A, B, C. This you must take care. What is the point you have to learn here? First join AC, right? Now if you join AC, you can see that in this diagram, what you can see, one part is shaded by dark and another part is unshaded one. The shaded part AC arc AC, if you consider, it is a segment for ADC. It is a segment for AD, then C. Right. Now, what is the next part? Unshaded portion, if you consider. What is unshaded portion? AC. That is also another segment for which sector? ABC. So, it is ABC. So, you must, a little bit confusion will be there for this one. Just to think that, which is the arc, sector we have to consider first. The first one is AC as the part we have taken, that is for which sector? ADC. Next, unshaded part we have taken, that is for which sector? It is for ABC, right? So we got two segments. We got two segments only. Both segments have same value. Theta is also same, radius is also same. So one value if you calculate, and it should be multiplied by 2 only. Understood? So area of the shaded part means 2 into area of the segment. See, after seeing this diagram, you may get confused how to calculate. Don't think about this one. Just join the diagonal. See this diagram. It is very clear from this one. It is divided into two parts. One is a shaded part, one another one is unshaded part. Shaded part, if you consider, it is AC. That is a segment part. If you consider which sector? ADC. Similarly, unshaded part AC, if you consider, that is a segment for ABC also. So now you got two segments. So two segments area we have to calculate. So the same formula, 2 into r square into theta by 360 pi minus sine theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Substitute the values, theta 90, radius 8. And after the simplification, what we are getting? 256 by 7 centimeter square. Okay. Next question. AB and CD are two perpendicular diameters of the circle with the center O. OD is the diameter of smaller circle. If OA equal to 7 centimeter, find the area of the shaded region. It is very clear. It's not a complicated question only. The OD is the triangle. This is the shaded part. It is a circle only. So I have stepwise you can go. Area of the circle with a diameter OD. The radius is 7 by 2. Why radius is 7 by 2? Because total length OA, that is the diameter, it is 7. So the radius equal to 7 by 2 only. Now what is the next part? Area should be calculated. So area of the circle equal to pi r square, normal formula. So 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 whole square. Next, what is the next part? Area of the semicircle with a diameter AB. Because this shaded portion only we have to calculate, right? That means we have to calculate area of the semicircle minus area of the triangle we can go. So area of the semicircle means with the diameter AB. So already the total diameter not required. Already in the diagram radius is marked. So again pi r square by 2, that is also equal to 77 centimeter square. Now what is the next step? Area of the triangle ABC. So area of the triangle ABC means already it is given that AB and a CD are perpendicular. So what about angle O? Angle O equal to 90 degree. So we got a 90-degree there, theta. Now it is a right angle triangle only, half base into height formula we can use. So it is equal to 49 centimeters square. So first we have calculated area of the circle with a diameter OD, or next we have calculated area of the semicircle with a diameter AB. Then we are subtracted which one? Area of the triangle ABC. Once again, area of the circle with a diameter OD, 77 by 2 centimeters square. Area of the semicircle we have calculated, that is equal to 77 centimeter only, so square only. Area of the triangle ABC we have calculated, that is equal to 49. So now we want which one? We want to calculate the area of the shaded part. So the first circle, that is a completely shaded only. Now we want that smaller segment part is here. So what we should do? Semicircle's area minus area of the triangle ABC. After the simplification, 66.5 centimeters square. Okay. Next question. The given figure depicts a racing track whose left and right ends are semicircular. The distance between the two inner parallel line segments is 60 meter and they are each 106 meter long. The track is 10-meter wide. Find the distance around the track along its inner edge and as well as the area of the track. Right? So the question you read carefully once again. The given figure depicts a racing track whose left and right ends are semicircular. Which are the semicircular end? A, F, E here as well as B, C, D. The distance between the two inner parallel line segments is 60. Already marked here 60 meter, right? So here you can see it is 60 meter only. And the parallel line segment length is 106. The width between the inner tracker it is 60 and the parallel line segment's length is equal to 106 and track wideness, that is this wideness, it is given that 10 meter. Everything is marked in the diagram. Now what is the question is asked? The distance around the track along its inner edge. That means that from here I have written clearly, you can go for that one. GHI, perimeter of GHI. See, inner track means inner side only, so here GHI. Next, JKL, this side, right? Now, what is the next? GL. Here, GL is the, then IJ is the. So, this much length we should count. That is the perimeter. So, what is that one? It is a semicircle. So, 2 pi r by 2, which is semicircle GHI. Right? So 2 pi r by 2 pi r only. So pi into 30. That is 2 times because a inner diameter is 60, radius is 30. So we have got a pi into 30 2 times. Now 106, 106, what is that length? GL and IG. Just add that one. And since it is in terms of pi, you are getting the answer the 2804 by 7 meter. So the from the diagram it is clear the perimeter of the inner track. So two semicircles and then what is the length of the rectangle 106 and 106. So we added and we got that 2804 by 7 meter. Maybe you will get confused after this one uploading the video. You can go through once again the diagram and you can make it clear. Okay. Next, what is the next part? Area of the track. Track means the shaded portion only, right? So let us go for the second part. I'll draw once. I'll have taken once again the diagram. Okay. Now see that area of the circular path AFE, IHGA. AFE means which side? This AFE. Then IHGA. So this part we are going to calculate now, right? Because area of the track only. But here what is the case? It is the area of the bigger circle minus area of the smaller circle. It is a circular ring type, semicircular here, right? So what is that one? Pi r square by 2. But here 60 as the diameter is given. So inner radius will be 30. So whatever with our outer radius 30 plus 10. Here I mentioned here 30 plus 10 it is equal to 40. So the area of the bigger semicircle minus area of the smaller semicircle. So just a pi into 40 square by 2 minus pi into 30 square by 2, right? So what is the answer we are getting? 1100 meter square. Now once you calculated this side, this is also same way BCD JKL and B and D. So that is also same only. So 1100 meters square, right? Now what is the next part? So I think two semicircular area it is clear for you. Now what is the rectangular path is there? Which is the rectangular path? A, B, here A, B, then L, G. What is the length? Length is 106. What is the breadth there? 10 meter. So area of the rectangular path it is equal to 1060 meter square. Again one more rectangular path 1060 meter square. Where it comes? Bottom side. That is IJDE. Right. or we can say IJD only written. So 1060 meter square only. So what are the steps here? First we have calculated area of the circular ring, left side whatever it is there, that is AFEHG. Similarly BCD JKLB also we have calculated the right side of the diagram. Now both the rectangular path, one is above the track part and the one is the below the diagram. So it is, you can see that 106 106. If you add this one, you will get the total area of the track 4320 meter square only. So we got this question is asked, two sub questions are there. The first one is distance around the track and the second one is area. Around the track distance means it's a perimeter. Perimeter means a perimeter GHI already drawn above that. You can go for that one. GHI, then perimeter of JKL, then GL, then IJ. If you add what is the answer, we are getting the 2804 by 7. Next, what is the question asked? The area of the track. Area of the track means this side and here, both the end side, you are having two semicircular ring only. So area of the bigger circular ring, semicircular ring minus smaller semicircular ring. After that, what is the answer? You are getting 1100 meter square. So left side and right side semicircular area part you are getting 1100 meter square, and above and the below of the track you can see that one rectangular path is there. So its area equal to 1060. If you add all these, 4320 meter square is the answer. I think this is the lengthy one whatever we are having till now. Okay, I think whatever questions related to it I already completed. I'll make unmute all of you, then you can go for the answer. You can try the answer now. Okay, the first question.
D, ma'am.
Okay, the area, let me read first. The area of the sector of the angle P in degrees of a circle with a radius R. So it is already given that the radius is answer is D only. Why it is 720 came there?
Ma'am, B, ma'am.
Ma'am, it is
We can cancel, ma'am.
multiplied
Yes,
multiplied
you can
by
cancel
denominator
and
and
you get
numerator.
the answer as by 360. Right? Okay.
I'm not understood.
You know the formula area of the sector?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the formula?
Theta by area of sector, ma'am.
Yes.
Theta by 360 into pi r.
Pi
R square. Ma'am.
R square. Here what is the change there? 2 is there.
Yes, ma'am.
So 360 into 2 means multiply and divided by 2 there.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
For we cannot change the formula, na. If you are doing
Yes.
multiplication with the 2, then division also you must done. Okay, next question you can try. If the sector of the circle of diameter 10 centimeter subtends an angle 144 degree at the center, then the length of the arc of the sector in terms of pi only. Do it fast. Pi value don't use because in terms of pi the option is there.
4 pi, ma'am.
4 pi.
Option B.
Okay. All are getting 4 pi.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
4 pi. Ma'am.
Okay, let me check the answer. Okay, 144 by 360 into 2 pi into 5 only, because length of the arc is the question. So 4 pi is the answer, right?
5, 7 is the...
Same question only, but this time area of the sector. Angle changed, na? What is the previous angle? 144. Okay, this time 45. Oh, okay. Radius 14. Now area of the sector. Do it.
77 centimeter, ma'am.
Centimeter square, Abhiram. Ah,
Yes.
ah. It is area. So centimeter square only answer. Okay, 77.
27.
Yes, ma'am. 77.
Okay.
77.
All are getting?
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
77 centimeter square only. Angle is 45 by 360 into 22 by 7 into 14 into 14. Always check, because if in terms of pi answer is given, don't put the pi value, because the calculation will be easy for you, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, the next
Yes,
question.
ma'am.
It is there. Okay, it is there. It is there. Try this one. In the given figure, ABC is an
The area
equilateral
of the
triangle
shaded
inscribed in
region.
a circle of radius 4 centimeter with a center O, then the area of the shaded region.
What is that?
In terms of pi,
Triangle area. Yes. 60, 60, 60. 60, then 20 by, yeah. Mm, mm, Ma'am, B1, 4 by 3 into
Yes,
4
ma'am.
pi
4 by 3.
3 centimeter square.
4 by 3 into 4 pi minus 3
Root
root
3
ah,
centimeter
3
square.
root 3 centimeter square. Let me check. What is the central angle you are taken, Abhimanyu?
20 was equilateral triangle is there.
What is the central angle? I am not heard properly. Tell me once again.
120, ma'am, 120 degree.
120. Okay, 120, and the pi value is not required. And radius clearly mentioned there, 4 centimeter only. So let us see the answer now. Okay, right only. 4 by 3 into 4 pi minus 3 root 3. Those are not got the answer. They can check that one formula substituted here. So sine 60 and cos 60 is there. So 120 is the angle will come, divide by 2. Directly you can go for the formula, and the answer is 4 by 3 into 4 pi minus 3 root 3. Okay, let me check any other question. Okay. Try this one, all of you, because a reason and assertion type is, you know that it is difficult only little bit, because it's a new pattern. Last class also, last chapter we have seen. Now just you read that one. A means both are true and the correct explanation. R is the correct explanation. Then you should tell me the answer is A, right? If both are true but R is not the explanation for the A, then it is B. Now what is C option? True and false. And
A1,
D
A.
is false and R is
Option
true.
B.
Now the question is that outer and inner diameter of a circular path is 10 meter and 6 meter. Diameter is given. Outer diameter is given. Inner diameter is given. Then area of the path is 16 pi meter square. Then the reason is given that if R and R be the radius of outer and inner circular path, then pi into r square minus r square. Do fast, because the time is going to.
Ma'am, option D, ma'am.
Option B.
Option D,
Option B.
ma'am.
My question, listen all of you. My question. The assertion is true or false?
Ma'am, assertion is false, ma'am.
Assertion is false. B.
What is the answer you are getting there?
False, ma'am, but reason is
4 pi.
correct, ma'am. A1.
I think
Option D, ma'am.
because
A, ma'am.
okay,
Ma'am, B, ma'am, B. Option B.
D.
Ma'am, they have to give 5 meters, ma'am. We have to spell it.
Wait, all of you. I
A is
think
correct, ma'am.
diameter is given. You have to go for a 5 and 3.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So both are
true.
It is a circular
It is
ring
a circular
area.
ring area.
Pi into r square minus r square. So A is correct. Both are true. A also true, R is also true, and R is the correct explanation. So your answer is A. Just check once again. If it is wrong, you can tell me again. I think we have to wind up now. One more question is there, I feel. Let me finish fast.
Ma'am, radius is 10.
Isn't it? It is not a 25, 5 square minus 3 square. It is 16. Na?
It is diameter.
It is diameter. I read clearly that one. Okay, the next question. If the circumference of the two circles are in the ratio 2:3, do fast all of you, 2-3 minutes left, then the ratio of their areas is 4:9. Tell me. And the circumference of the circle of the radius r is 2 pi r and area is pi r square. I think we already done this question. Circumference is 2:3 means a ratio will be square of that 4:9. Again,
That is
both are true. A circumference
answer.
answer is A only. Both correct only because circumference is came
Yes,
there.
ma'am.
And the area formula is also given. Both are correct only. Understood? So I think I have to stop now. Let me end the meeting. Then you can discuss because the recording will not be done later. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.